Hello students, hope you all are well, fine. Today we are going to talk about dihalogen compound, polyhalogen compound or halogen derivative compounds. What are haloforms? First of all we will look into what are haloform. Haloform क्या होते हैं? See, haloform is a methane derivative, you can say. When 3 hydrogen from methane if replaced by 3x, x means halogen atom. If 3x is replaced by 3 hydrogen atom from the methane, we will get CH3 CHX3, that is haloform. This is the common formula of haloform. Say for example, if suppose this H is replaced by chlorine, then we will get chloroform. If bromine, then we will get CH3CHBr3 bromoform. Similarly, iodoform and chloroform. In your syllabus, the chloroform and iodoform is very much important. Their preparation, property and uses are there in your syllabus. As far as the exam concerned, every year one question comes from haloform. So let's begin with chloroform. What is chloroform and how it is prepared? The common formula of chloroform is CHCl3. And how it is prepared? Generally it is prepared by the halogenation in the presence of sunlight of alkene. Alkene की halogenation करेंगे in the presence of sunlight, HNuCl2, right? What will happen? 3 HCl molecule will be replaced and 3 chlorine atoms will be added into this and forming chloroform. So this is general formula, this is general preparation. Now very importantly, how it is prepared in industry. Industrial preparation is very important, and sometimes it is directly asked, right, or how chloroform or iodoform is prepared by industrial preparation. So here we see what happened. In the industrial preparation, first of all we have to produce or we have to form the base and halogen. So how we will produce or form base and hydrogen? By bleaching powder. You know, in class 10th you have studied about the bleaching powder. The common formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2, that is calcium oxychloride. Okay, if we write CaOCl2 like this, and when we add water into bleaching powder, what will happen? This H replace this chlorine and forming OH, and this OH replace chlorine from here and forming OH. So calcium hydroxide, we will get the base calcium hydroxide along with chlorine. So this is how we will prepare base and chlorine. Okay, now we have two choice. By ethyl alcohol also we can prepare chloroform, by acetone also we will prepare chloroform. How we will prepare? By ethyl alcohol. See, we write ethyl alcohol over here, right? In the first step we have to do the oxidation. Oxidation means removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen, that is oxidation. So here removal of hydrogen is taking place by chlorine. So these two hydrogen is replaced by chlorine and forming 2 molecule of HCl along with CH3CHO. What is that compound? That compound is acetaldehyde. So in the first step we do oxidation. From ethyl alcohol we can replace 2 hydrogen and forming, if 2 hydrogen is replaced from here, what is left? CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde. Now in the second step we need to do the chlorination. What we will do? From acetaldehyde which we have formed, right, we take the chlorine from here, from the first step which is prepared in the first step. So we do reaction with acetaldehyde and chlorine, that is chlorination. In chlorination total how many molecules we have taken? 3 molecules or 6 atom of chlorine. So 3 atom of chlorine will attach with 3H and forming 3HCl at the last as a byproduct. Here you can see 3HCl is formed, and along with 3Cl will be attached over here. So here you can see CCl3CHO, CCl3CHO. This is trichloroacetaldehyde, and in general it is called acetal. Acetal is very important as far as preparation concern of many organic compound. It is used to prepare many type of organic compound, right? So what will happen? We get the acetal. This as 2 molecule of acetal we will take along with the base which is prepared here. Here we have prepared the base, calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide 2 molecule, H from the calcium hydroxide add into acetal, acetal में ये H जुड़ जाएगा और क्या बनाएगा? CH3Cl, यानी क्लोरोफॉर्म के 2 मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे, 2 molecules of chloroform. What is left? HCOO, HCOO and Ca. So calcium formate is also produced as a byproduct. So these are the 3 steps by which we can prepare chloroform with the help of ethyl alcohol. But when here we are preparing क्लोरोफॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ एसीटोन, एसीटोन से अगर हम क्लोरोफॉर्म को प्रिपेयर करेंगे, देन सी वी डू नॉट रिक्वायर टू डू द ऑक्सीडेशन, डायरेक्टली वी जंप इनटू द क्लोरिनेशन स्टेप. फ्रॉम हियर CH3, दिस इज द एसीटोन विच वी हैव टेकन एसीटोन, एंड फ्रॉम द एसीटोन CH3CO CH3 we do the chlorination. 3H is replaced by 3Cl and forming 3HCl. So what will happen? CCl3CO CH3 will be formed. CCl3CO CH3 will be formed, and this is trichloroacetone. 2 molecules of trichloroacetone we will take, right, along with the base. Hydrogen from the base is attached over here and forming CHCl3, 2 molecule of CHCl3, and calcium acetate will also be formed. CH3COO, CH3COO calcium, CH3COO twice, and calcium. Calcium acetate will also be produced along with the chloroform. So this is how the chloroform is prepared in industry. I hope it is clear. Now let's talk about the properties and uses of chloroform. Chloroform is a colorless liquid. It is used as a solvent in the laboratory, and its vapor are combustible, means its vapor also catch the fire. If it is kept open, the vapor catch the fire, and also contain sweet taste, sweet smell. When the smell, you can smell out in the laboratory also, but don't smell too much, otherwise you will get unconsciousness, because it is also used as an anesthetic. बेहोश करने के भी इस्तेमाल में ली जाती है. It is stored in dark color bottle. What is the reason behind it? So that it can be prevented by the oxidation, right? Oxidation अगर होगा इसका, then it is what will happen? Oxidation में ये phosgene बना लेगा, COCl2, and phosgene is very harmful gas, and even it can cause death. So it is stored in the dark color bottle, and also to prevent from oxidation, ethyl alcohol is added, right? So sometimes this question from here is also very important. So this is all about the properties and uses of chloroform, preparation of chloroform, industrial preparation of chloroform, what is Haloform, what are other example of haloform? So I think you got understand. Thank you. Hello students, now let's talk about polyhalogen derivatives or polyhalogen compound. Here in this video we will talk about the haloform DDT freons, right? So what is the formula of haloform or iodoform? Iodoform का formula क्या होता है and how it is prepared? It is one of the derivative of haloform. Haloform का फार्मूला जो मैंने पहले बताया हुआ है CH(X3). CH(X3) में जब हम X को आयोडीन से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं देन वी विल गेट आयोडोफॉर्म CHI3. सो CHI3 इज द फार्मूला ऑफ आयोडोफॉर्म. नाउ हाउ इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड? इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय ethyl alcohol or acetone. So here I have taken ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol react with iodine and sodium hydroxide base, when they are heated, these reactant are heated, then we will get iodoform along with Ni yani sodium iodide, sodium formate, right? Sodium formate, and along with the water molecules we will get. So what is the preparation? The preparation of iodoform, we require iodine and base sodium hydroxide, and we will get 4 product: iodoform, sodium iodide, sodium formate and water. Please do remember, and definitely you have to remember because it is one of the important reaction which you will do in your laboratory. So what is the property and uses of iodoform? See, it is yellow color crystalline solid with unpleasant smell. इसकी स्मेल बहुत बेकार होती है, बदबूदार होता है ये. सो इट इज़ येलो कलर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड एंड हैविंग अनप्लीजेंट स्मेल. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक in medicine and pharma industry. So this is all about iodoform in your syllabus. Now let's talk about the next very important halogen compound, that is Freon 1,2. Freon 1,2 is also written as CCl2F2. CCl2F2 is the formula for Freon. How it is prepared? It is prepared by carbon tetrachloride, or also it is called tetrachloromethane, right? When it react with hydrofluoric acid, right, 2 molecules of hydrofluoric acid when react with carbon tetrachloride, the fluorine, since it is more electronegative, replace chlorine from 2 position and add over there and forming difluoromethane. The name of this compound is difluoromethane, and also we will get hydrochloric acid as a byproduct. So you know very well about the Freon. Because of Freon, the ozone depletion is caused. What is ozone depletion? The day by day the ozone layer depleted or degraded because of uses of freons. What will happen here? The freons converted O3, that is ozone, into oxygen. In that way the ozone layer depleted day by day, right? So it is one of the major concern. And if you look into the uses of Freon is actually used as a refrigerant in refrigerator and air conditioners. Also it is used as a aerosol in shaving creams और hair spray. इसमें भी इनका यूज़ होता है, right? So this is all about the freons. Now let's talk about the third very important halogen derivative, that is DDT. DDT, what is the full form of DDT? Para dichloro difluoro trichloroethane. This is very important to learn. Why it is very important to learn? Because many times it is asked in your question, in your examination. It is definitely 1 mark question is asked, full form of DDT. So para dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Now how it is prepared? It is prepared by chlorobenzene and acetal. See, chlorobenzene, this is one chlorobenzene, this is second chlorobenzene. So two molecule of chlorobenzene we have taken here, and this is the hydrogen attached over this position. And what is the formula of acetal? This is CCl3CHO. When 3H is replaced from acetaldehyde, this is form acetal. In previous video we have formed acetal also. So here you can see when they react in presence of concentrated H2SO4. What is the function of concentrated H2SO4? It dehydrate the molecules. So dehydrate means minus water, water molecule निकल जाएगा. अब कहाँ से निकलेगा? From which place the water molecule is removed? Here you can see the H and H from both benzene position and oxygen from acetal. So H2O will be replaced or removed, and these two phenyl group will be attached with this carbon. If they attach with this carbon, then see what will happen. They attach with this carbon, and here is the suffix of acetal what we have taken here. Okay, so in this way it is 1,4 position, this carbon attached with 4th position, and here also it is 4th position. So we can say 1,4 is para, 1,4, 1,4. So para dichloro, diphenyl, trichloro, or 2 carbon is ethane. So ethane. Para dichloro, diphenyl, trichloro, ethane. So this is how it is prepared. I hope you understand. Now let's come to talk about the DDT. DDT is insoluble in water and soluble in polar solvent. Many of the substances which are insoluble in water, they are soluble in polar solvent, and it is a powerful insecticides. Because of Paul Muller synthesized this effective insecticide, he got the Nobel Prize in 1948 after discovering DDT. So what happened in World War II? After World War II, it is used in a large scale by the people. लोगों ने इसको बड़े स्केल में इस्तेमाल करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. And in that way, why they have used? Because to kill the insects and mosquitoes. बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स और मस्कीटोज को मारने के लिए इसका बड़े स्केल पे यूज़ होने लगा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपन, बिकॉज इट इज़ insoluble in water, so it reaches into the water and kill the aquatic animals, fishes and other animals. So that is why in many part of the world it is banned. Especially in 1973 it is banned in USA. USA में ये बैन है, but in India it is still used. So this is all about the DDT, Freon and Iodoform. Hope you understand. Thank you. So students, let's talk about another halogen derivative compound, that is CH2Cl2, methylene chloride, also called dichloromethane. Its IUPAC name is dichloromethane. So how it is prepared? It is prepared by methane only. When we do the halogenation in presence of sunlight, halogenation of methane in presence of sunlight, 2 hydrogen is replaced by 2 chlorine atom and forming dichloromethane, right? So here you can see 4 atoms of chlorine is there, 2 atom combined with 2H and removed HCl, 2 chlorine atom is joined here and forming CH2Cl2, right? So this is how it is prepared commonly. Let's talk about its properties and uses. So it is a colorless liquid. It is used as a solvent, right? And it is also used as a paint remover, also used as a propellant in aerosols, and also it is very important use is used as a metal cleaning or finishing सॉल्वेंट, मेटल को क्लीन और फिनिश करने के लिए एज ए सॉल्वेंट भी इसको यूज़ किया जाता है। एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट इज़ इट इज़ वेरी मच हार्मफुल फॉर आवर नर्वस सिस्टम, हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम के लिए बहुत ही हार्मफुल होता है। एंड इफ़ डायरेक्ट कम इन द कॉन्टेक्ट ऑफ द आइज़ के डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट में आ जाता है, देन इट कैन डैमेज योर cornea and cause blindness. So this is all about the halogen derivative. Hope you enjoy your learning. Thank you.